Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay, we deal with online and offline also, but due to the COVID-19 situation, we are not open for the offline customers. So we deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable ranges. Okay, COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So for per order for COD, you have to calculate with the product cost, the total shipping charges plus 100 rupees. That's how the COD processing charges has to be calculated. Shipping charges and COD processing charges is completely different. So many of them are raising enquiries and having doubts on that. So please get it clarified. COD processing charges is for the charges that has to be paid to the processing the COD order. Okay, shipping charges is the regular shipping charges. Okay, so today I have some dress materials, some 8 dress materials. All of them are pure cotton. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters and the dupatta is a malmal cotton 2.25 meters. Okay, all of the dress materials has the Gadwal border. Okay, the border has the Gadwal border. So I will explain the details with the designs. Okay. Okay, so the first one, it's a black and white combination. All of the dress materials are priced at 750. Okay, 750. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So this is the first one. The top, bottom, every is a soft pure cotton. And the dupatta is a malmal cotton. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters. The dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay, and you have the Gadwal border in every top. Okay, each and every top you have the Gadwal border. You can keep it for the down or sleeve. It's up with the design you want to do. Okay, this is the first top. All of them are dress materials. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. So this, you have this kind, all of them are printed designs. Okay, so this is the top design. It's a black and white top with a lovely pink combination. The bottom is also 2.5 and you have the printed design. This is a bottom and the dupatta is a malmal cotton dupatta 2.25 meters and you have the Gadwal border in dupatta as well. Okay. So this is the first set. This is how the dress material will be looking. The bottom is pink color, dupatta is pink with black and white and the top is black and white. So all of them are printed. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters and the dupatta is a malmal cotton 2.25 meters. Okay, all of them are cotton. So this is the first set. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 91505 I have given the direct link of my WhatsApp connection as well. So you can directly WhatsApp me without saving my number. Okay. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. Please share the screenshot or the picture. So this is the next one. The quality will be very good, very comfortable, very soft. Okay, so this is the next design. You have this kind of a design in the yoke part. So this is the yoke part. You have the magenta shade here. And the bottom is a plain black. This is the bottom, okay, a plain black and a dupatta. Oh, you have the Gadwal border here. Okay, so this is the Gadwal border. It's a green combination. Okay, and you have this kind of a design. Okay, you can use this kind of a design in the sleeve part or in the lower part. You can cut and match anything. The top is 2.5 meters. Okay, you have a lovely design coming along. And this is the dupatta. So this is the next set. It's a magenta with black combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. For all the orders, please take the screenshots. Okay. Priced at 750. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters. The dupatta is 2.25 meters. The top and bottom is pure cotton. The dupatta is a malmal cotton. All of them are very soft fabric. The quality is also very good. And this is the next one. It's a beige with red combination. So this is the design, and you have the Gadwal border like this. Okay, so this is the border you get. You have a kind of a printing along with the border. So this is the next one. You have a full floral printing on the top. It's a beige color, and this is the pant. You have the printed design in the pant as well, and dupatta with Gadwal border. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, it's a beige with red combination. A very lovely designs coming along with the dupatta as well. So this is the next design. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 91505 COD available, ma'am. Yeah, COD is available. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra. So COD for the COD order you have to calculate like product cost plus shipping cost plus 100 rupees. COD is available all over India. So this is the next design. So this is how you get the border. Okay, so you have the printed design with the border here. It's a Gadwal border, it's a green border, and you have the printed design here. It's a pink with yellow combination, and you have a very lovely designed pant. And the dupatta. So all the top you have the Gadwal border. You can match it for the bottom or yoke part or the sleeve part. You however way you can stitch it. Okay, you have a very long border in the full area. Here you can see the full both the sides you have the Gadwal border. Okay, the printed designs will be coming all over except for the sleeve part. Okay, so you can do whatever the way you can. So this is the next set. This is how the dress material will be looking. All the dress materials are priced at 750. Please take the screenshots for all the enquiries and orders. I have listed all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. So in my profile you can see all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. This is the next one. So this is how the design will be. All over the middle part you have the design printed, and this is how the border will be coming. Okay, you have the printed design along with the Gadwal border. And you have green color combination in the pant. So this is the pant, and this is the dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta. The top and the bottom is 2.5 meters. The dupatta is 2.25 meters. The top and the bottom are pure cotton, soft cotton, and the dupatta is a malmal cotton. So this is how the dress material will be looking. All of them are very nice fabric, and all of them have the unique designs as well. The fabric is very soft and comfortable to wear. And this is the next one. A very different design. Orange with mehendi green. So this is the design and this is the border you have, and this is the pant, a mehendi green combination, and the dupatta. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. A very different color combination, orange with green combination. Okay, so dupatta is Malmal cotton 2.25 meter, top and the bottom is a pure cotton 2.5 meters. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So in the dupatta and the top you have the Garhwal border as well. And this is the next design. A blood red color with the yoke design printed in the neck. So this is the design. It's a printed one. And you have a printed bottom. It's a half grey color, white and grey mixed together. And this is how the dupatta will be looking. So this is the design. All of them are priced at 750 rupees, 750 rupees. The top and the bottom is a pure cotton with 2.5 meters and the dupatta is 2.25 meters Malmal cotton. So this is the border. I will show you the border as well. I forgot to show. So just a minute. Yeah. So you have this kind of a border in the top. Okay. The same design I have in blue color. So this is the top and the same design in a blue and black, blue and white printed to bottom, and the dupatta. So the fabric, I am repeating, top and bottom is a pure cotton 2.5 meter, dupatta is 2.25 meter Malmal cotton. Okay, all of them are price is 750 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So for per order, okay, not per product, per order you have to calculate like total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 rupees for COD alone. For prepaid orders, the 100 rupees is not applicable. Okay, directly you can calculate like product cost plus the shipping charges. So please like my page for all the new updates. So these are the collections I have for today. Stay tuned, stay connected. Have a good day.